Hey guys, my name is Rose, and this is going to be the first update for the Blast Into Project Pan. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab, and let's just get into the products. I'll show you the shadows first. So I had, Mercury, which other ones? Mars and Uranus in this palette. So it was this shade and these two shades. These two shades look no different. The blue shade actually looks a little different. I've mostly used the blue. Second is the gray, and then this is like only the second time I'm using the brown because I'm just not using the brown. Like today I have the blue and then a little bit of the gray on my lower lash line, and then I have this in the crease with this on like the sides because I did a halo eye. So yeah, so the blue actually looks a little different, but I mean, and these two are much harder pressed than the blue. The blue is softer. Like, this whole palette is pretty hard pressed, which is why it's so hard to use it. But yeah, so that's for those three shades, and then I'll just do the other eyeshadow palette. Which planet was that one? Saturn. So Saturn was this shade, which I think I've used only 2 or 3 times. I mostly use it with my finger because that's the way I get it, and that's the middle part of my halo eye that I'm doing right now. But yeah, it's the shade Hopeful. I mean, this does not have much product. Like, this whole palette has 8 grams like total between the 12 shades, so it's like very little product. This is like, I think, less than a ABH palette even, so this is a very small palette, so I don't think it will be hard to hit pan in that. But since I'm mostly, whenever I use it, I do use it with my finger, it may make things take a little longer because it's more of a like wider area versus like a smaller area. It just works best with my finger, so that's the way I'm pretty much using it. But yeah, okay, and then let's go down the list now. Okay, and I have this Essence So Glow highlighter on this. As you can see, I have a little bit of a blur right there because I am using it a lot, like on my eyes and in my inner corner. Like today, it's in my inner corner, under my brow bone, and on my face. On my face, I usually like to use it on my finger because my highlight brush don't pick up, but a pencil brush picks up okay. So I usually use a pencil brush for my inner corner. Today I put it under the brow bone, which I don't know if I've put it under the brow bone before. I don't know. I can't remember. But as you can see, it's right there. My goal is to hit pan on this, and I think I can. I mean, it's going down pretty quickly because it is a cream. It just moves around so easily. It's a cream to powder, so like I rub my finger and then tap it on, and then it starts to turn to a powder that I can like blend it better. But yeah, I don't think it will be hard to hit pan on this. But yeah, that's that, and I used it 3 times. Did I mark it for today? I'm not sure if I marked it because I know I marked these. Maybe I didn't put a tally on there. So I think it's 4 times because I don't think I marked it for today. But yeah, I mostly am using it on my inner corner. One day I put it all over my lid because I was doing like a purple crease, and then put this all over the lid because I like pairing color opposites because they make each other pop. So yeah. So I think it's 4, even though there's only 3 on there. I think it's 4. And then next one, and that was for Venus, if I didn't say that. This, my Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean gloss, and I've used it 11 times. Glosses are really easy for me. I use them all the time. Like, so, like because my lips are so dry, like either I put a lip balm on, or sometimes I just put gloss on as like a lip balm. So it's like I can use them up really quick, usually. And I think this, as you could see, like last time I could get scoops, like I could get some air out things. I don't know what to call that. I'm just not saying things good. But yeah, I feel like this is maybe only has 1/3 of a tube in it, even though it doesn't like settle or anything, and it's pretty thick. But I feel like I can get this used up. Maybe probably not by next update, but maybe the update after that. I don't know. I mean, I'm using other glosses too, so this is not like the exclusive gloss I'm using. I am wearing it over a lip liner right now. So I like wearing it over this because it kind of tones it down and makes it a little bit cooler, because this is blue and it tones it down a little bit. So yeah, but I used it 11 times, which is a good amount. I probably will use this probably 5-10 times each month or something, even though I'm working on like 2 other glosses and 2 other projects. It's just I use gloss so much too, and sometimes if I'm wearing a liquid lipstick and it's hard to come off, I put a gloss on and it helps me remove it easier. So I also use glosses like that sometimes. And then next I have wait, that's next on that list, but is that next? No, that's not next on my list. Okay, and then next I have the Body Shop Camellia Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. I have made, that was last time, and this is this time. I think I can still use it up by next update, but I have stopped using this to remove my eye makeup. I still use it to remove my face makeup, but my eyes were getting this weird, like, kind of, like, on the outer corner, it was getting all, like, bumpy and kind of flaky, and it was weird. And it was either because of this or because of a different product that I recently got from the Body Shop. And so I stopped using both, and then it all cleared up, and then now I'm starting to reintroduce the eye cream that is maybe the other thing. But yeah, I still think even if I don't use it on my eyes, I think I can either use it up or get really close by next update, because I mean I'll be using it about half as much, because I have these little, I'll just grab, because these are made from an old t-shirt, and this is what I use to remove my makeup. I get it all like on there, and I use one for my face and one for like my eyes. Sometimes I use some coconut oil too, because my eyes like to hold on to like mascara really hard, so some coconut oil I use sometimes around my eyes. But yeah, so I usually use one for my face and then one square for my eyes. So like I am using it kind of half as much, but still, like I've stopped, like I think I stopped using this about 2 weeks ago on my eyes, so it's like it still has made decent progress in that time. But yeah, so that's that. The next is the pencil, right? Yeah, this is, and wait, what? This was for Jupiter, the Body Shop cleanser thing. I can't read. Neptune is this, the Color Workshop eye pencil. I think the goal for this was to use it 30 or 50 times. I can't remember. I've used it 5 so far. I've been really enjoying this. I've used it a couple times where I like lined my lash line like halfway through, and then use a black to do a wing on the other half. I really like it like that. So I think I might My nose is so itchy. I might do it like that a couple times more. I don't know. I kind of want to try to use it as a base and do like, and use it like that. So, I don't know. I have it in my waterline today. I mean, that's why I'm mostly doing it, because I'm wearing a lot of like purpley and blue looks. So, I'm using a lot of purple and blue like eyeliners. So, that's that. And I have one more product. If my nose can stop itching, that would be great. Which is this, which is my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, which I've used it 3 times. I actually have it on my face today because when I did my intro, I forgot that I put this in the project, and I'm like, oh yeah, I should have used that on my face. But yeah, it's a very thin thing. It is kind of a little bit too dark for me. Even I've recently gotten really tan. Like my arms are like so dark right now. I got like, because I've been out, because I go outside to read now, and like I'm getting in the sun more. So yeah, but this is what I have right now. I didn't like take pictures of this or anything, but I'm just gonna walk through this slowly. Like I'm not gonna take pictures or anything. I mean, it's just a little Sephora sample, so it won't take long. But yeah, but I've used it like 3 times. It's just, and that's for Pluto. And my nose is so itchy. I'm like trying not to itch my nose, but like when something itches, I itch it. It's like, yeah. But yeah. So this I'm just using. I mean, I want to use it up, but it's like it's not gonna be a hard product, and I'm just gonna use it every once in a while whenever I feel like it. Especially in the summertime right now, it's like I kind of have been wanting to reach for this more, because I thought I was only gonna use this like once this past month, but I used it like 3 times, so that's good. I mean, these samples don't have that much product. I mean, they still have like 15 uses, which is like a heap ton for me. But yeah, they don't have that much product, and I can use, if I really want to, I could probably finish it in like 2 months. So yeah, I'm just gonna go easy on it and just like do it. But yeah, so this is what I have. But I'm gonna do like a nail polish line and then do the next month's update, because I've been doing that for like this is, see, I was doing it like for like my other project, like do a color line, and then I'm gonna do tallies for the next thing after that. So that's how I'm gonna do that, and keep track of how many uses I have, because my hair would just not be stupid. But yeah, so that's it. That's all I have today. I think I'm doing pretty good. I think I could get this empty by next update, and then this might get empty too, because I don't think the pan's really deep, but I don't know. It's gonna be a surprise, because if this does get pan by next update, it will be the first highlighter I've ever hit pan on, so that would be exciting. But yeah, so I hope you guys are doing good in this project too, and I'm excited to watch everyone else's updates and stuff. I feel like I have a cat hair up my nose, and that's why my nose is so itchy, because cat hair is just everywhere. Like, it just gets everywhere. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video hopefully. Bye.